Hello, dear friends and wonderful language learners. I hope your day is filled with energy and smiles. Today, on the English Listening Channel, we have a small, warm gathering. A short, simple, and very sweet story from the heart of a cafe. Here's what the story is about. Ken and Ellie, two close friends, walk into a cozy, soft, and warm cafe. Ken really wants to order in English for the first time, but his stomach is full of butterflies. He puts his hand on the menu, looks at Ellie, and says, "I don't know what to say." But Ellie smiles calmly and gently and teaches him that only 3 simple things are enough. The name of the drink, the size, small, medium, large, for here or to go. That's it. No complicated sentences, no stress, no fear of making mistakes. In this story, you will walk with Ken step by step, from the moment he goes to the counter to the moment he gets his coffee cup and shouts excitedly, "Ellie, I did it!" Along the way, you will learn many beautiful things. How to order politely, "I'd like a latte, please." The difference between "can I get" and "I'd like." What "for here" and "to go" mean. The names of different coffees, latte, cappuccino, americano, espresso, and even decaf. And a fun fact, coffee beans actually grow inside a small red fruit. But there's one important question. Throughout the story, listen carefully to Ken. Today's question, what drink does Ken order? Write your answer in the comments, in English. Even one word is great. This small practice will strengthen both your listening and your writing. Why will you love this story? Because the language is slow and clear. The dialogue is natural and warm, and the story is so friendly that you'll feel like you're sitting right next to Ellie and Ken, drinking coffee together. And at the end, a beautiful feeling will stay with you. Step by step, little by little, but surely. Learning English is like drinking coffee, maybe a little bitter at first, but with warmth and practice, it becomes sweet. Now it's your turn. If you enjoy this style of short, real-life stories, if you want to learn English calmly and without stress, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Leave a comment and share your answer to the question. We are like a small, warm family here. I am with you step by step until English becomes a sweet habit for you. So let's go together to that cafe, sit next to Ken and Ellie, and order our first English coffee. I'll put the video link in the first comment. Let's watch it together. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video, warm and friendly like a cup of latte. Take care, and bye for now.
Ellie, wait, I'm a bit nervous.
Why? What's the matter?
I want to order coffee today, but in English. I've never done it before.
Oh, don't worry at all. English at cafes is really simple.
Are you sure? I have no idea what to say to the barista.
I'm positive. You just need a few short phrases. That's it.
A few short phrases? Really?
Really, most people say the same things every single time.
Okay, so what should I say first?
When the barista asks for your order, say, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like a coffee, please. That does sound easy.
See? That's the most important phrase. Then they'll ask about size, small, medium, or large.
I know those words. They're the same in Japanese.
Kind of. And also, for here or to go.
What does that mean?
For here means you sit inside. To go means you take it away.
Ah, like dining in or takeout.
Exactly. So just 3 things: your order, the size, and for here or to go.
That's good to know. I think I can do it. Let's go inside.
That's the spirit. I'll stay right next to you.
Wow, so many things on the menu. I don't know what to pick.
Don't read everything. Just choose one drink you like.
But there are so many unfamiliar words.
That's fine. Most people already know what they want. What do I usually order? A latte.
What's a latte?
Coffee with a lot of milk. Easy to drink.
I like milk. Maybe I'll get a latte too.
Great choice. It's perfect for beginners. Not too strong.
Okay, a latte. But how do I say it?
I'd like a latte, please. Very natural.
I'd like a latte, please. That's all?
Or, can I get a latte? Both are good.
What's the difference?
Can I get is casual. I'd like is a bit more polite.
I want to be polite. I'll use I'd like.
Good. And say the size. I'd like a small latte, please.
I'd like a small latte, please. Got it.
Perfect. Then they'll ask, anything else? Just say, no, that's all.
No, that's all. Simple. I like that.
You're ready. Oh, it's almost our turn.
Okay, a little nervous, but I'll try my best.
Ken? Hi there. What can I get for you? Hi, can I get an iced coffee, please? Medium. Medium iced coffee. Anything else? Yes, a chocolate muffin. For here, please. That'll be $7.25. Here you go. Thank you. Next, please. Hi, I'd like a small latte, please. Hot or iced? Hot, please. For here or to go? For here, please. Anything else? No, that's all, thank you. $4.50. Here you go. Your name? Ken. Your latte will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you very much.
Ellie, I did it. I actually ordered in English.
You did an amazing job. I'm so proud of you. See? Easy, right?
Much easier than I expected. The barista was really nice.
Most baristas are like that. They hear these orders all day. Even if your English isn't perfect, they understand.
That's good to know. I was worried about mistakes, but it was totally fine.
Exactly. Making mistakes is okay. The important thing is to try.
Your drink looks different. Mine is hot and white. Yours is cold and dark.
That's because I ordered an iced coffee, no milk.
And mine is a latte. That's why it's white.
Right. A latte has lots of milk, so it's mild.
What other kinds of coffee are there?
Cappuccino. Like a latte, but with more foam on top.
So latte has more milk, cappuccino more foam.
Yes. Also Americano, espresso with hot water.
What's espresso?
A very strong, very small coffee. Lots of caffeine.
Caffeine wakes you up.
Exactly. And decaf has almost no caffeine.
So I could say, I'd like a decaf latte.
See? You're learning fast.
One more question. What is black coffee?
Just coffee with nothing added. No milk, no sugar.
Sounds really strong and bitter.
It can be, but some people love the real taste.
I guess everyone likes different things.
Exactly. Hey, here's a fun fact. Coffee beans are actually seeds inside a small red fruit that looks like a cherry.
Really? Inside a fruit?
Yes. People pick the fruit, take out the seeds, dry them, then roast them. That's how we get brown coffee beans.
That's interesting. So coffee travels a long way before my cup.
It does, but you don't need to know that to order.
True. I just need to say, I'd like a latte, please.
That was really fun. I learned a lot today.
You should feel proud. You ordered everything in English.
I do feel more confident. Before today, I was scared.
Now you know it's not scary. Just short, simple phrases.
Let me practice. Hi, I'd like a small latte, please.
Perfect. And for here, please.
Great. And if they ask anything else? No, that's all. Thank you.
You remember everything. You can order by yourself next time.
Next time, I want to try an iced latte.
Just say, I'd like an iced latte, please. Add the word iced.
I can do that. And for food, can I also get a muffin?
Exactly. Short and simple is the secret.
Thanks, Allie. I really feel much better about English now. Today was a great day.
You're welcome. I had fun too. Let's come back soon and try more things.
Sounds great. Maybe next time I'll try a cappuccino.
Look at you, becoming a coffee expert.
Not yet, but I'm getting there, little by little.
Little by little is the best way to learn. Every time you practice, it gets easier.
I believe that now. Today really showed me.
I'm glad. You did great. Let's go home.
Let's go. Thanks for everything, Allie.
Anytime. See you next time at the cafe.
I can't wait to order again.
That's the best thing I've heard all day.